Hey, good morning. Surprisingly, it is morning. It's like 8:30 a.m. and I'm gonna hang out in the barn for about 20 more minutes. Hopefully the rain will stop. I was going to edit in here and I was going to write my journal and have like an angel tarot card day, you know what I mean? But then this rain is like, it makes it really dark in here actually. And it's not that I'm scared of the rain, but it does have like this weird, scary vibe that like in a house you just don't get. Because like in a house you're like actually far away from the rain. But there's like that hole in the one wall there. And it makes it quite cold in here, honestly, when it's raining. It sounds delightful though, honestly. It sounds like I am paying for like a lo-fi chill music fucking background right now with the rain on the barn. And like what I'm doing, like sitting in a chair, this could be like a new lo-fi thing. Lo-fi? I used to say lo-fi for years, but then my husband's like, it's lo-fi, it's low frequency, or I don't even remember, but whatever. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm not, I don't know. Don't care. Anyways, I don't know what to do with my day because it's raining. Like I'm used to getting up, watering the garden, hanging out with the chickens and the sheep. None of those things I have to do today, or can do really, because of the rain. And I don't really want to go anywhere shopping-wise. I could, but I don't want to. I got 2 houseplants yesterday. I got a peperomia and a hens and chicks. And then the day before that, I got 2 little jade plants and a zebra succulent cactus, whatever it is. And so I have like 5 new plants as of the last 2 days. So that's the only thing I would want to go buy. And I bought like 6 new terracotta pottery little things yesterday, so I'm like set, honestly. And I have enough chocolate and chips. Actually, I don't have any chips, but I have enough chocolate, and I recently had a chip. Like I've had my chip fix, you know what I mean? Sometimes I just want to go out and get like chips and chocolate though, you know? But right now I am good. Riley's investigating the water. Look at that. It's like leaking in here a bit, and she's like, we have a problem. She's like, you guys, the wall's leaking. Should this be happening? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about that. Hey, Riley. I don't know. I don't know. Why is it wet there? Whoa. Holy shit, that was just like the door cracking against each other with the wind. Does it make you cold? Riley? First part of it being like wet on the ground is I have to bring these dogs back inside, and then they have muddy fucking paws, and then I have to clean their paws, but I think they're gonna enjoy the day inside better than out here too. She's freaking about that water dripping. You see how dark it is? Like 8:30 in the morning, supposed to be like bright sunshine. Rise, honestly, like, yeah, so that sucks. I'm gonna just turn this video off now. Thanks for catching up with me this morning. It's a Wednesday. Tomorrow we're supposed to have like 150 students or something to our house to help with a bunch of different projects with their school. And we were going to go foraging and like build a fence and everything, but now with this rain, I really don't know how that's gonna happen. And Dev was going to dig a trench for that fence for tomorrow, today, and he can't do that now with the rain, probably, unless the rain stops later today. Hopefully the rain will stop around like 1 o'clock, or even like 10 a.m. would be nice. Like, we just need a tiny bit of rain. This is kind of like a torrential downpour, and I'm kind of worried about our garden right now. But alas, I will turn off this video and, I don't know, edit like 1 video so I can say that I did something in the barn this morning, and then I'll go inside and like chill in the basement for the rest of the day, I guess. Because that's the weather that we're being served today. I hope you have an amazing day. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I'm so weird every time I say that. I'm sorry, it's so weird. I'm not used to that shit. But anyways, I hope you have an amazing night and day and summer and week and everything. I hope your lives are great. And message me if you want, anywhere, ever. I will message you back. I'll do my best, especially if it's English. That is all. Okay, goodbye.